Give your loved ones the gift of Fanzart for this wedding season. Here are 5 wedding season must-have Fanzarts for the couple you love. With 5 wooden customizable blades, BLDC motor, and summer-winter feature, the Fanzart Maple is an ideal gift for couples. At number 4, shaped similar to the attractive white color Magnolia flower, the Fanzart Magnolia fan comes with the summer-winter feature, BLDC motor, and multicolor LED lights, while staying whisper quiet. The remote-controlled Fanzart Shadow comes with specially designed, foldable, transparent acrylic fine blades. The antique brass housing gives it a regal look. The chandelier drapes surround the LED light kit, making it the 3rd best Fanzart to gift this wedding season. At 2nd place with 120 Austrian crystals, 14 foldable acrylic blades, BLDC motor, summer-winter feature, and whisper quiet technology, the Venetian is a Fanzart so mesmerizing, making it a beautiful gift for couples. Winning hearts with its stunning design, the Fanzart Windflower is the most loved Fanzart, with 5 D-Vortex blades running on an energy-efficient BLDC motor. Equipped with multicolor LED lights, this Fanzart is the perfect gift for this wedding season. Shop over 130 designs at www.fanzartfans.com.